Alright, this is a unboxing video of function form type 1 coilovers straight from the site. So I'm gonna try not to talk too much until later on, but yeah, this cost me about $5.80, and these are the non-dampening coilovers. So I'm gonna just see what comes in it. Oops. Alright, first thing I pick up is this sticker, function form. Put that to the side. And there's an installation guide. Wow. Hello, thank you for choosing function form for your personal build suspension. Whether you have chosen type 1, type 2, or type 3 for your vehicle, we want to give you some tips that will help you with installing your new coil or suspension. And of course, after disclaimer and personal installation is highly recommended, and etc. etc. They have real instructions. I'm not sure how many people really give you this. Yeah. Not gonna record it though. Then I start the box. Hopefully it's nothing. Nope, that's nothing. To the side. It's in a plastic bag, zip tied together. Not really the safest package, but whatever. Oh. I'm actually gonna knife this zip tie off. Yeah, I'm gonna get a knife. Scissors. Sometimes zip ties are just hard. Kinda hurt. So these are the real mounts. My camera quality is being weird right now, so probably won't be able to get the best shot, but should be decent. Not happening. To the side. That's also so it's on top of the rear. scissors. Scissors. Those are unrealistically hard to cut.
But unless you live through it, you have no clue. Kim Babbitt says the annual event takes on a whole new meaning this year. A little taste of the world will see go to and recovery mode. Something that we're used to coming to every year. And we don't have to think about year. Portion of the block returning some of the best jambalaya Ascension Parish has to offer. While the 6 take home the top prize, many say there's no place to go to. Says this festival is the perfect recipe for continued success in this city.
Front.
We still strong city.
Sorry for my bad recording.
Scotty Hunter, WASB 9 News.
Thank you, Scott. The Jambalaya Festival continues for the weekend. You can head to the 9 News app for a list of all their activities. With a big vote coming up next week in the state capitol, some legislators say party politics are getting in the way of what's right for Louisiana. The debate centers on a 70% boost to the state's gas tax. In a House committee, 4 Republicans voted to boost the tax, saying it's necessary to get money to fix the roads. Well, now conservative groups and the GOP are attacking
right there. It looks like
saying they should.
it's probably not a big deal, but like it's been damaged. No, it wasn't me. There's nothing I can do to actually make it do that. Looks a bit damaged. And these are brand new.
Need to have another tax increase. They've been through $2.4 billion in tax increases over the past 2 years. Taxes and fees.
Louisiana has not raised the gas tax in nearly 3 decades, making the Bayou State's gas tax one of the oldest in the nation. It'll come up for a vote on the House floor this Wednesday. Tomorrow, the state Senate will fill a seat that's been vacant for all.
And the bolts actually come in a package. Didn't realize that.
Emptied by Senator Troy Brown's resignation earlier this year. Warren Bragg III of Donaldsonville and Ed Price of Scott are in the running. 9 News will be posted on the Sunday decision election on election night tomorrow.
2 different size adjusters. Didn't
Very near the bridge that Harrison
realize that.
Today, Baton Rouge dedicated a bust of Trevor on a greenway along North Boulevard. In the days before he died, Trevor had a statue that was standing in a public place. And statue, a reminder of an extraordinary young
This will come in handy.
He had such a compassion.
Like they give you measuring tape. That's freaking awesome.
And like, despite what he was going through, he was always thinking of
I'm
what
sure
he
you
could do for
cannot
someone
read that,
else.
but
Instead of saying, "Oh, how can someone help me for me?" He never said
measurement
that.
or measure the distance during adjusting the high-low monthly cord.
The man accused of shooting and killing 10 people in the DC sniper case will have to be resentenced. Today, a federal judge tossed out 2 life sentences for Lee Boyd.
Yeah, I don't think any coilovers will not be that long.
Because of the Supreme Court ruling that said that life sentences for juveniles were cruel and unusual punishment. Not only Baton Rouge native John Allen Muhammad were both arrested in the case that spread terror in the Washington, D.C. area in 2002. Muhammad's next
$200
Virginia Attorney General
I'm
and
gonna take.
not the DA in charge of the case said he would pursue another life sentence. Well, up next here on 9 News, when thank you
Yeah,
is not
that's
enough,
everything.
how about an easy guide to
The LSU softball team finds themselves on the road.
I guess I'll try to install it tomorrow if I can. If not, it'll probably be like another week. And I'm still trying to upload this video explaining what happened to my PAL motoring coilovers. Basically, they're broke. I don't know why YouTube is just being weird now, letting me upload stuff that I'm editing. I guess it's in format, whatever, but yeah. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Nice box. I think there's more stuff. No. Side pulling suspension, function form. Alright. That's it. And thanks for watching. And tell me what you think on your car. Like, if you have the suspension, tell me about your experiences with it. I'm still trying to know what to expect. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching.